Under the chapter 3, we are referring Radha Bahuguna book. Here, what is factor payment and transfer payment? In this video, we will learn about factor payment and transfer payment. So, what national income includes is given below. Next, what is factor payment? It is made to a factor of production in return for rendering factor services. So, factor services, what are the factors of production? Land, labor, capital and organization. What they in return, if we pay them, in return what they will do? They will produce goods and services. Is it? நம்ம பணம் கொடுப்போம், அவங்க ப்ரொடக்ஷன் பண்ணுவாங்க, சர்வீசஸ் கொடுப்பாங்க, அதுக்காக நம்ம பணம் கொடுப்போம். ஸோ தட் இஸ் bilateral in nature. So it is called bilateral in nature. Two ways of transaction is there. For example, rent, wages, interest and profit. Factor incomes earned by factors of production and factor payments made by an entrepreneur to factors for their services, or in fact the same. All factor payments are included in the national income because there is corresponding flow of goods and services in the economy. So this is factor payment. The payment which is made to the factors of production. The payment which is made to the factors of production is called factor payment. The next, what is transfer payment? It is payment received without any corresponding good or service. If we pay some amount, in return they will not do anything. That is, நம்ம கொடுப்போம், பணம் கொடுப்போம், ஆனால் அதுக்கு பதிலாக அவங்க எந்த சர்வீஸோ குட்டோ ப்ரொடக்ஷன் பண்ணியிருக்க மாட்டாங்க. அதுதான் ட்ரான்ஸ்ஃபர் பேமெண்ட். ஸோ திஸ் இஸ் ஆல்சோ கால்டு யூனிலேட்ரல் பேமெண்ட் பிகாஸ் ஒன் சைடு பேமெண்ட் ஒன்லி இஸ் தேர். ஒரு சைடாக நம்ம பணம் மட்டும்தான் கொடுக்குறோம், அதுக்கு திருப்பி அங்கேருந்து எதுவும் வராது. ஃபார் எக்ஸாம்பிள், ஓல்டேஜ் பென்ஷன், scholarships to students, unemployment allowances, charity, etc. These payments are received without making contribution to production. They will not contribute anything to production. They are not included in the national income of a country because there is no corresponding flow of goods and services in the economy. Transfer payments can be current or capital. So this transfer payment is divided into two, that is current payment and capital payment. What is current transfers or for consumption? For example, here pocket money received from your father is a transfer payment. Here this you can take it as current transfers. For that the boy will not give anything, will not do anything in return for the pocket money, is it? So here current transfers are for consumption purpose, whereas capital transfers are for capital formation, to buy some machines or anything else, to build any building which will not produce anything. So there are two types, current transfer and capital transfers. The difference between income payment, factor income payment and transfer income, factor income or transfer income, otherwise it is also called as factor payment or transfer and transfer payment. Under factor income, the difference given below, it is the income received in return for rendering factor services by the factors of production. Like that, transfer income, it is income received without any good and services provided in return. If you learn this, you can understand the same only given below in differentiation. If you do this, let us recapitulate. You can understand how to differentiate factor income or transfer income, how to differentiate factor income or transfer income if you do this.